In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Photoshop with a quick start guide. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your skills, this walkthrough will help you master this essential tool. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once you've launched Photoshop, we'll need to create a new canvas to get started. You can do this by navigating to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen and selecting New. Here, you can customize the size of your canvas according to your project needs. Once you've set the dimensions, go ahead and click Create to open your new canvas. Now that we've got our canvas ready, the next step is to select the pen tool. You can easily find the pen tool in your left-hand toolbar. It looks like a traditional pen tip icon. If you don't see it right away, it might be nestled under other tools, so just click and hold to reveal hidden tools and select the pen tool. Once you've selected the pen tool, let's adjust a few settings to make it easier for you to see your paths. Look up to the top menu bar and select the rubber band option from the pen tool context options. This will allow you to see a preview of your path as you draw, which can be incredibly helpful for creating precise curves and angles. Now it's time to start drawing. Click on your canvas to create anchor points. These points are the foundation for your path. You can click once for straight lines or click and drag to create curves. To draw an object, simply connect your anchor points around the shape you're tracing or trying to replicate. The rubber band tool helps by giving real-time feedback on how your lines will look, which is a great feature for beginners and experienced users alike. Once your object is drawn, we need to turn this path into a selection. Right-click on your path and select Make Selection. In the dialog box that appears, you can choose your desired feather radius to soften the edges, then hit OK. This process converts your drawn path into an active selection. With your new selection active, the final step is to fill it with a solid color. Go to the Layer menu, choose New Fill Layer, and then Solid Color. Pick a color from the palette and click OK. The selection will be filled with your chosen color, creating a vibrant addition to your canvas, and there you have it, a quick and easy introduction to using the pen tool in Photoshop. With practice, this tool can help you create anything from simple shapes to intricate designs. Thanks for watching and happy creating.